Welcome to today's Explainer. Look, we all know AI is completely reshaping the modern workplace. It's everywhere right now. But today, we're going to move past the hype and those flashy headlines to look at the actual data. We're digging into how it's fundamentally transforming our day-to-day operations, the way companies hire, and honestly, the very nature of human connection at work. It really comes down to that one anxiety-inducing question on literally everyone's mind right now. Is AI going to take your job, or is it going to make it better? Well, you might be relieved to hear this, as the research we're looking at today clearly shows AI is not here to replace us. Instead, it's really here to elevate us. It's about augmenting human potential rather than erasing it. So, here is our roadmap for the explainer. 1. AI reshaping the workplace. 2. Transforming talent and recruitment. 3. Automating the mundane. 4. The crucial human touch. 5. Data-driven decision-making. And finally, 6. Adapting to the future. Let's just dive right in. Okay, Section 1. AI reshaping the workplace. The digital-first environment. Today's remote and hybrid work models rely on these incredibly complex machine learning algorithms acting as a sort of invisible engine behind the scenes. AI is absolutely the backbone, streamlining our communication right now. It's giving organizations the ultimate flexibility to operate and really thrive outside the strict traditional constraints of a physical office space. It's just the reality of today's agile, digital-first world. Moving on to Section 2, transforming talent and recruitment. Data over gut instinct. Think about traditional hiring for a second. It relies so heavily on gut instinct, which, let's face it, inevitably introduces unconscious bias. But AI-powered hiring completely flips the script. It's entirely data-driven. By analyzing thousands of resumes based strictly on skills and experience, we're removing those subjective human opinions from the initial screening. And the results? A much more equitable and diverse selection process. And the numbers on this are pretty staggering, for sure. To put this into perspective, the sources highlight one recruitment agency that integrated AI to automate their candidate screening. They essentially saved their hiring managers from that dreaded resume black hole. And the result? They cut their time to fill positions by over 50%. Not only did they save a massive amount of time and resources by cutting that cycle in half, but the data shows they actually enhanced the quality of their hires too. Which brings us to Section 3, automating the mundane, freeing up time for strategy. Think about the administrative backbone of literally any organization. We're talking about those highly repetitive, mundane duties. Scheduling meetings, data entry, document management, or handling basic customer service inquiries through chatbots. Handing these routine, everyday operations over to AI systems doesn't just reduce human error, it actively prevents employee burnout. Because, let's be real, when you aren't bogged down in spreadsheets and calendar invites all day, you can actually think. The research hits the nail on the head with this quote. Employees can dedicate more time to creative problem solving and innovation, which are vital for business growth. Delegating the mundane to AI acts as a pressure release valve. It frees us up to pivot toward the strategic, creative, and higher value work that machines just simply can't replicate. All right, Section 4, the crucial human touch, balancing automation with empathy. We so often think of AI as this cold, calculating thing, right? But it can actually foster empathy and support well-being in our highly digital world. AI isn't just for checking off tasks. It actively analyzes sentiment and engagement trends. By tracking data from surveys and communication patterns, AI can actually spot early signs of disengagement or rising stress levels. This allows managers to proactively step in and support a healthier work-life balance way before burnout ever happens. So here is how this continuous feedback loop works in practice. Step 1. AI continuously monitors engagement and stress indicators across the remote or hybrid workforce. Step 2. AI-driven chatbots can offer immediate, easily accessible mental health resources directly to employees who might need support. It provides a safe, stigma-free space to seek help. And Step 3. Human Resources analyzes that aggregated feedback to refine their assistance programs. It's honestly a perfect example of using technology to enhance rather than replace interpersonal relationships. Let's zoom out a bit for Section 5, data-driven decision-making, harnessing predictive analytics. For macro business growth, predictive analytics is an absolute game changer. Instead of just guessing based on past traditions, companies are using machine learning algorithms to sift through massive amounts of data in real time.
Startups and scaling companies are using this to forecast shifts in consumer demand, optimize their inventory, and create highly personalized customer experiences. It literally shifts an entire business strategy from being reactive to being proactively agile. But hold on, wielding this much data comes with massive ethical responsibility. Transparency, rigorous bias audits, and clear consent, these are non-negotiable. If an AI is trained on historical data that contains human prejudices, well, the algorithm is simply going to repeat them. Therefore, companies must implement strict oversight to ensure algorithmic fairness and protect data privacy. This isn't just some regulatory box to check, it's a strategic advantage that's absolutely essential for building genuine brand trust.
And finally, Section 6, Adapting to the Future, Essential Skills for Tomorrow. So what does this all mean for you? To remain relevant in an AI-driven landscape, the future demands a really unique blend of skills. You need data literacy and adaptability for the technical side, simply because the technology changes incredibly fast. But equally, if not more importantly, you need emotional intelligence and effective communication. These soft skills are exactly what machines lack, navigating complex interpersonal dynamics and building genuine relationships. That is what will make human workers absolutely indispensable. Because of this massive shift, we're seeing the emergence of entirely new hybrid job roles. The sources note the rapid rise of AI specialists. These are professionals who specifically bridge the gap between complex technology and human resources. They implement the automation, sure, but they ensure the workplace culture doesn't lose its humanity. What you should really take away from this is that a mindset of continuous, lifelong learning and reskilling is your ultimate key to job security in this new era. Ultimately, the goal of integrating AI into the workplace isn't widespread replacement. Actually, it's more like a collaborative partnership. AI is meant to augment human potential, not erase it. By letting machines handle the repetitive administrative tasks and all that heavy data crunching, we foster a much more resilient, innovative, and deeply human work culture where our natural creativity can genuinely thrive. Which leaves us with this final, provocative question to ponder. Will you let AI automate your routine so you can amplify your humanity? Don't fear the algorithm. Use it. Use it to clear the busy work off your desk so you can focus on the empathy, creativity, and connection that only you can bring to the table. Thanks so much for joining me for this Explainer, and keep learning.